So I just remembered a rice recipe that nilikuwa napikiwa back in the days, and I really used to love it. So today with me, I'm going to be showing you one easy way that you can fry your rice just to give it some more flavor, and I guarantee you're going to love this once you try it out. With me here, I have my ingredients, and from this corner I have my rice. I've not yet washed it, but I always preach wash your rice, so I'm going to be washing this in a few. I have some cooking oil, some salt, and some onions, and definitely you'll need some water. And without further ado, let's get started. So make sure you're going to wash your rice. I've already washed mine, and I'll start by adding in about a tablespoon or two of cooking oil. And I promise you, you can eat a whole kg of rice using this recipe. So once my cooking oil is hot enough, I'll go in with my onions, and we just want to cook these onions till the purple color fades away, and that's what I always mean by turning them translucent. So this step will give the rice some very good flavor, and you won't stop eating this. So now that the rich purple color has faded away, I'll add in my washed rice. Then we are going to mix it so that the flavors can be evenly distributed. Then I'm also going to add in some salt. Then I always here to remind you to measure your rice and water. So for every cup of rice, I use 2 cups of water. Today I've used this, so I'm going to be adding these 2 cups of water. Then after the first cup, I always have to mix. And this is such an easy recipe, by the way. I'm always against those people who just boil their rice with water. They don't even add salt. They do not add even margarine or cooking oil. I mean, what's wrong with you? So I've added the first cup. I'm going to add in the second one. And you can also use hot or cold water. Either works just as fine, but I happen to have some hot water today, so that's what I'm using. And now that I'm certain there is nothing sticking at the bottom, this will give our rice a good foundation. So I'm going to cover it, and I'll basically see once my rice is ready. So how to know your rice is ready is ukiona huku chini there is no more water, it's completely dry, you know your rice is ready. And you can also see imetokea moja moja because we measured our water and our rice. So I'll see you for serving and tasting. I'll cover this and I'll see you in about 5 minutes. And as you've seen, it was that easy, and it's now time to give this a taste test. Wow. Wow. So I promised you that this recipe can never fail you, and I also promised you that you can eat a whole kg of rice bila hata kitu ingine. You just have to try this out and you'll discover why it was my childhood favorite. That's it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment and share this with a friend, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.